Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make sushi rice at home. First, selecting the right rice is crucial. Always opt for short-grain Japanese rice for that perfect sticky texture. Next, you'll want to rinse your rice thoroughly. Place it in a bowl and rinse with cold water, stirring gently until the water runs completely clear, which usually takes about 5 to 7 changes. Finally, drain the rice in a colander for at least 30 minutes to ensure all excess water is removed before cooking. This step is key for proper absorption. Now let's cook the rice. For every 1 cup of rice, you'll need 1 1/4 cups of water. Combine the rice and water in a heavy-bottomed pot with a tight-fitting lid. Bring the mixture to a boil over medium-high heat, then immediately reduce the heat to low and simmer, covered, for 15 minutes. Do not lift the lid. After 15 minutes, remove the pot from the heat and let it steam, still covered, for another 10 minutes. This allows the rice to fully absorb the steam. With your rice cooked, it's time to add that signature sushi flavor. In a small bowl, whisk together rice vinegar, sugar, and a pinch of salt until the sugar and salt are fully dissolved. Transfer your warm rice to a large, non-metallic bowl or a traditional hangiri. Pour the seasoning mixture evenly over the rice. Using a wooden spoon or spatula, gently fold the seasoning into the rice with a cutting motion, being careful not to mash the grains. The goal is to coat every grain evenly. Finally, let's cool and prepare your sushi rice for use. While continuing to gently fold the rice, fan it vigorously. This helps cool the rice quickly and gives it a beautiful, glossy sheen. Once the rice has cooled to room temperature, cover it with a damp cloth or paper towel to prevent it from drying out. Your perfectly seasoned and cooled sushi rice is now ready for rolling your favorite sushi. Remember to check the description for a link to Little Trees, Black Ice, and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.